Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. I'm gonna show you how to verify your Discord account. And first of all, you have to go here in your profile and click on settings, and after that, account. My account is already verified, so that's why I don't have any messages saying here saying verify your account, for example. And if you don't have your account verified, you it will appear some message saying at the beginning of this page, verify your email or your account. And to verify your account, you will have to click on this on that option, and it will they will send you a verification code by your email, and confirm, and you have to confirm with the code your email, and then your account will be activated, and and that's and that's the way you can finally verify your account, your Discord account. And that's it, guys. This is the whole video. I hope you like this video, and you have learned something, or how to verify your Discord account. Any doubts or any concerns, or whatever you need, put them here below in the comments, and leave me your like and subscribe also. And thank you for watching, and see you next video, guys.